Hi, this is David from YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Let's get started. So, the only thing you have to do if you have your clock showing on your desktop in the bottom right corner is right click on it, go to Adjust Date Time, and you will be brought to this window. Or you can go to Control Panel and you can click on View By, go to Large Icons, and you can find the area that says Date and Time. Both are acceptable, but I like to use this one just because it's a lot quicker to access. Now, if your time isn't automatically set, you can check it to be automatically set, and you should notice it update. You can also synchronize your clock, but if you want to do it manually, you can go down to time zone and select your different time zone. So let's say I wanted to be on Central Time. I can change that, and as you can see, it now shows 10. I can go down to Eastern Time. Now it shows 11. I'm going to go back to Pacific Time, and we are back to our normal time. And it's that easy. If you learned something, hit like, hit subscribe, share this video with others, and check back later for more amazing content. Thank you.